Okay, so this is a follow-up to my customer's late model Camaro aftermarket aluminum shaft that had a weight come off. And as you can see, they were riveted on. The original one was riveted on, and it was this weight right here that was riveted on. They found it up in the some of the tin, like the shields underneath the car. So I tried that with that weight on there, and it really didn't make it any better. So I did chase this quite a bit. I just untaped the weights because I'm taking it out of the machine. And the result is I did get this tuned up some from the way it was initially, right from the get. But I ran into a threshold that I just couldn't get it past, and the cause and effect, add weight, make a correction, it's better or worse, or nothing changes. There's a threshold. If you're not making any improvements and you can't get, no matter what you do, make any improvements, then you got to start looking for something else. And it just came here because it had the weight knocked off, theoretically. But there's always a story whether you get told it or not, or even if they know it. So here we go. I noticed these two little rub marks right here. I started looking to see, looking a little deeper just to see what was going on. And I noticed these two rub marks. And if you just had this on the bench or in the car, it wouldn't seem like they were that significant. This one here, you can feel there's a little bit of material that has been displaced. There's a little ridge you can feel with your fingernail. Right here, yeah, about the same thing. So I'll just spin her around here. Watch the dial. So there's 0 right there. Coming around, coming around, coming around. That's right handy to 40,000. I must have knocked the indicator, but it was right about 38, 40,000. So, and that's a solid 30 there. So at that amount of run out, that's 10 times what we'd like to see. We usually want 3, 4 at the most on a tubing anywhere. And so this had a rub on something, and this is the bigger part of the problem. The weight coming off is probably the result. This is the cause of the vibration issue in the car. So I'm not going to continue to tune on it. This is one of these ones that has had weights pop riveted on it. I don't know about that. And the rivet's loose in there, the remainder of the rivet. So I'm going to pass this back to my customer, and we will discuss. See, as like I said, they sent it here for weight correction. Turns out it's something else, unfortunately. So we're gonna have to discuss this and see what their next move wants to be.